So let's start measuring the standing wave ratio without using the inductor patch cable. To measure the standing wave ratio, we need to calibrate the SWR meter depending on the setting of the radio with its output power. So first, we set the radio to transmit in low power, which is 5 watts, and hit the PTT to calibrate the SWR meter. We need to set the calibration meter to calibrate and press the PTT and adjust the deflection needle to full. When it is set, release the PTT and switch back to SWR and key the PTT again. So from this reading, it's showing a 1.1 SWR reading. So next is we will adjust the power, the output power of the radio to 10 watts and recalibrate the SWR meter. Press the PTT and adjust the deflection needle, release, and switch back to SWR mode and press the PTT again. So when we increase the power output, the SWR reading is now 1.1.5. So without using the inductor cable or inductor patch cable, we have an extra increase on the SWR reading. So we will adjust the SWR reading again to the third setting, which is 30 watts. Then recalibrate the SWR meter, press the PTT key and adjust the deflection needle. When it's okay, release and switch back to SWR mode and press the PTT again. As you can see here, the reading is about 1.2.5 SWR on the low 3 setting, which is 30 watts. So we will again adjust the power output of the radio to the maximum, which is 75 watts, by recalibrating the SWR meter and increase the power output. So now it is high, which is 75 watts, and adjust the calibration of the SWR meter by pressing the PTT again and recalibrate the dial button and put the maximum deflection on the SWR meter. Now, since it is already calibrated, let's switch back to SWR mode and press the PTT again with the high power output of 75 watts. As you can see here, the SWR reading is showing 1.4 SWR on our SX400 SWR meter. Next video, we will show the effect of the inductor cable on the SWR reading.